The Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom is an excellent addition to any bathroom. This generous 1,100mm glass panel is a classic design and offers both beauty and versatility. The shower enclosure boasts a brushed brass profile and a trendy fluted glass design that would complement any bathroom decor. The shower enclosure can be installed on shower trays or tiled Wetroom floors, making it a great choice to create a dynamic and useful space. You can customize your brushed brass shower enclosure by using 1 or 2 panels to meet your specific needs and tastes. The 8mm safety glass provides excellent durability and meets safety regulations, making it a perfect option to create a personal sanctuary in your bathroom. With the Scudo S8 brushed brass fluted glass Wetroom, you can add a touch of refinement to your shower room in an instant. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.